Hello everyone, welcome back to BGM Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Thomas Mini from Wave 2. So let's get him out of the bag. Alright, so here is bag number 270, the classic Troublesome Truck. A nice cola, new detailing on the back as per all minis, but he does have a nice grumpy face. Looks really cool. Brendan Bay Shipping Company. I wonder if this is different from the original classic release of him. I'm not sure, but alright. And then I'm just taking a look now at the list of minis. Definitely be getting the special edition Frosty Flocked Thomas. There. Samson, I have to pick up Samson, as I do not have Samson. And maybe the Monkey Thomas, I don't know. Kind of a silly one. So, yeah. If you find Wave 2 the minis, better pick him up. He's a really cool release. So, well, let's compare him to the other two Troublesome Trucks that I have in mini form. Creature Troublesome Truck, which basically is an aquarium car with a Troublesome Truck face. And Monster Troublesome Truck, which looks like a glow-in-the-dark Troublesome Truck, although it doesn't glow in the dark. Now these two have detailing on the top, these two right here, and this one doesn't, so it's kind of funny. They both say T-Truck on the bottom. Wait. This one does not have a name on the bottom. It's really interesting now. This one says T-Truck. This one also says T-Truck. Huh. Interesting. Wow. And this one with the weight in it is much heavier than these two. This one, oops, that came off. This one does not have a weight in it, so that is one difference between this one and the original release, although I don't have him. So, I wonder if this glow-in-the-dark Thomas, none of these engines have weights in them either. Wonder why they took the weights out. Probably cheaper to make. So yeah, I think that's going to do it for this review. Thank you all for watching. Definitely pick up this mini. He's a really cool one to pick up. Thank you all again for watching, and comment what your thoughts are on the minis themselves and the Troublesome Truck. So, goodbye.